Assalamu alaikum. How are you, ninth class students? See, as we have finished many of the problems from probability chapter, so today I am going to teach you some related to deck cards. Okay, so deck cards, that means in Hindi it is tash ke patte. So in your mathematics probability chapter, approximately there are nearly 10 problems are there which are related to deck cards. So what we have to learn before approaching that problems is the introduction part of that. Okay, so I am going to introduce you and then give the basic details of the deck cards. So just keep focus and listen carefully. So I'm going to tell you about deck cards. This basic introduction, what I'm going to give you related to deck cards, that would be really helpful for you for the whole, upcoming in the examination also. If the problem are coming related to the deck cards problems, so this introduction which I'm going to give you, this will be very helpful for you. So what are deck cards? Okay, so tash ke patte. So I'm going to give you the explanation in English only. So if it is comfortable for you, you hear it carefully and understand. Otherwise, if you fail to understand at any level, at any point, you just inform me, call me. I'm going to give you that same introduction in Hindi. Okay. So deck cards, they are about 52 cards are there. Okay, 52 cards. So what we play the deck cards, the playing cards, they are about 52 cards are there. So how that 52 cards are differ from each other? So that whole 52 cards, we can divide them in first of all in two section. Okay, that 52 cards can be divided equally in two sections, and 26 cards. The 26 cards will be black cards and 26 cards will be red cards. Okay, so we have divided that 52 cards into two section, 26 red cards and 26 black cards. And among them, among that 26 cards, again we are going to divide them in 13 cards. So after we are going to have now 13 cards, four sections, 13 cards, 13 card, 13 card, 13 cards. Two set of 13 cards will be black and two set of 13 cards will be red. Okay, many of the students, I guess I have to stay, or why they are not approaching? Maybe they thought that I would be late, but I am on time. They are not on time. Three have approached, Sidra and Sanamra, waiting for others also. Okay, so 13 cards are there in one set, and that kind of set we have four. So how they are differ from each other? Okay, so I am going to explain you the first 13 cards, and that are quite similar to the remaining 13 card sets. Okay, so how the 13 cards are there? So in that 13 cards, it is the 13 cards, they are differ, and they have names starting from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then king, queen, jack. So this kind of cards are there. Okay, 1 to 10 will be like number. 1 can be also called as ace. Okay, so 1 to 10 continuously as a number it will go, and then later on after 10 it would be king, queen and jack. So this same set are there in four parts. Okay, 13 cards are the set of 10 numbers, and jack, king and queen same set are there. But these four sets, why we have divided them? Okay, why these four sets are there? Why not one set? These four sets are differ from each other in like this manner. Okay, so 13 cards will be in this, the diagram would be there like this, and then 13 cards will be like this, 13 cards, 13. How this, this logos, how they we can express them? This is the logo which is in the shape of leaf. It is called as black spade. Okay, so out of 52 cards, 13 cards are like this. Okay, 13 cards. And how the 13 cards are there, I've already mentioned you. Okay, and the 13 cards will be in black clubs. The shape is quite similar to flower. So this is black clubs and this is black spades. So this 13 cards and this 13 cards, so total 26 cards are there of black. and then remaining 26 cards are there for red. So we have divided equally in 13 13. 13 cards are for hearts and 13 cards are for diamonds. Okay, so total 52 cards are there. This is very important topic because in examination also there is 60% chance the question may come related to this deck cards only. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind how that 52 cards are arranged. Okay, these 52 cards are arranged in 4 sections. Okay, each section carries 13 cards. This one, black spades carries 13 cards, black clubs carries 13 cards, red hearts carries 13 cards, and red diamond also carries 13 cards. So 13 13 13 13. And among 13 cards, I've also told you, already told that 13 cards means it is starting from 1 to 10 and then king queen jack. Okay, king queen jack and remaining 10 cards like 1 to 10, so there are 13 cards are there. So this you have to keep in mind. Okay, if we see about now whole our 52 cards, okay, how many kings are there in 52 cards, how many queens are there in 52 cards, how many jacks are there in 52 cards, that you have to keep in your mind. Now think, I have already told you that king is there in this 13 card also, and this also, and this also, and this also, and queen also there in all 4 section, jack is also there in all 4 section, and 1 to 10 numbers also there in all 4 sections. So they are about 4 kings, 4 queen, 4 jack are there in this 52 cards, and all numbers from 1 to 10 also are in four numbers. Okay, so this how you have to keep in mind. So related to this, today I am going to do one problem. I am going to explain verbally to you. I am going to read the question from the mathematics reader, that I am going to tell you the question, and also I'll explain you the solution how it could be, but verbally tomorrow I am going to do this in your classwork notes. I'm allowing you to do in the classwork notes. So the question is, see, in first exercise many of the students they have asked me, sir, first exercise why we have not started. In first exercise we have couple of problems related to this deck cards, which I have already informed you that first exercise will be done later. Why we have skipped that? Because of the deck cards explanation part was pending, that is why. Okay, Uman, Rehan, Tamim. Okay, I'm just keeping your names in mind and I'm going to put the attendance. Okay, so one question I'm going to read it. What is the probability of selecting out a red king from the deck of cards? So how much is the probability that we are picking out the deck message or a red king, the red king we are picking out? So how many red kings are there? Tell me. I've already told you that among 52 cards, there are 26 cards black, in which black spades are there and black clubs are there. And remaining 26 cards are of red color, red hearts and red diamonds. So red king आने की how much is the probability they are asking? So the probability is red king आने की probability कितनी है बोलिए? Overall cards are 52. You know the formula of probability, what we have learned and what we have done since so many problems, so many examples we have gone through same formula. The probability formula is number of favorable outcome by number of total outcome. So among 52 cards there are only two cards, two red cards in which we can see king. Okay, the possibility is only two cards, and the remaining the divided by number of total outcomes are 52. So the answer will be 2 by 52, and if we simplify it, it will become 1 by 26. That is the answer. So in this way many questions are going to come for you related to deck cards. So please, if you want, you can search on web regarding deck cards, and you can see the pictures of also the deck cards, how it is arranged and how the pictures are there. So you can just check it over and you can learn. Tomorrow I am going to come again, and we are going to do nearly 5 to 10 problems related to the same topic, deck cards. So I am telling everyone what you have to do. You have to just check it over and watch this video, and then learn this, okay, deck cards. And I'm going to come for now 8th class students. I'm canceling this ending this video, and I'm coming for 8th class students. Okay, thank you.